What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing all the pain of owning like multiple pets, like let's say more than 12 parrots, the bunny, 2 dogs, all those pets. And they're like a pain, like they're a pain for cleaning, they're a pain for everything. But it's kind of nice having a lot of pets, but at the same time, it's a pain. Like, it's a real pain. So you guys might remember from the last video, I mean not from the last video, but a few videos ago, we made this room just for the animals because, you know, they were inside, they make a whole mess, and they were inside the house, so we didn't want a mess in the house. So this is the parrot room and the dog bunny room and everything like this. So you can probably see the paint right now, right here, the floor. Just in one day, everything can happen. Like I go to school, somebody in my house clean the parrot like a morning, and in the afternoon, like 5 or later, I always clean right here. So it's my turn of cleaning. Tomorrow, Friday, I want to do a deep clean. Like, I'm going to clean more, like all this in the bottom, everything right here, and yeah. And you can see there's no parrot right here because they're inside laying eggs. So you can see ducky right here. The other 3 parrots right there. 2 parrots right here. But yeah, they're laying eggs, so we will probably have more parrots, which is kind of bad and good at the same time. But yeah, so I will show you what I do every day, like literally every day. So I will take this parrot. It's kind of noisy right here. I can't even hear nothing. Okay, but I think this cage is too small. We need to put a bigger one. So maybe update later because this cage is kind of small for him. So probably we'll put him in this cage, this bigger cage. And this one we will just keep it for something, I don't know. And they eat very fast. So when I took out this other cage, you can see all this mess right here. We mop the floor every day and you will see this mess every day. There was 3 parrots right here and my dog right here, and just this mess. Imagine all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Wait, no, 9 parrots right here. Imagine that whole mess. And this right here is from Nevada. When like he was like right here before, we had the door open so he can just be outside. Then he was pooping on the floor. And then we didn't pick it up, so it's kind of right here sticking. That was our mistake, but we let them go like once, maybe 3 times a week. But yeah, there's Nevada right here. Hey, Nevada. And I'm kind of scared to touch him. I don't know why, but still I'm scared. But you can see all this food right here. And we take the bunny out like when it's warm outside and when it's a good day. We take him outside to play and everything like that. And yeah, I think I might have to take this thing out. Not this cage because this one I had to take all the peas and everything. But I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna clean this because I need to clean this, and yeah, that's pretty much for today. Like, it's cleaning, keeping, organizing, and things like that. Food for the dog. So we got food right here. We're going to put water, and then we will take this thing out, then mop the floor, maybe clean this, and then we will put the cage back, and then we'll be ready for this pot. Then we will do this pot right here. So first, yeah, we have to put this. So when I mop the floor, I have to do it carefully because you can see feather flying. See? There's a lot of feathers flying. You can see right here. Like there's a lot of feathers flying. Like look at this. Like this is a whole pain. But we have something that could help. So you can see this could help. A water spray. I said spray. A water spray. So first, we have to spray the water right here. It will fly around still, you can see. But the feather will stick right here. And then, it's kind of a little life hack right there. I'm gonna spray it right here. And then I can mop the floor peacefully. But yeah. Now I need to clean this. And you can see, it's kind of getting clean right here. So you can see all the mop thing right here. There's more thing right here, but I will use the screwdriver because I can't find the other tool to scrape all of this. So I will scrape the biggest one, not a lot. Okay guys, so I finally cleaned like some, not a lot. Here's the screwdriver right here, the poor screwdriver. And now everything is right here is clean. So I'll put back the cage right here, organized and things like that. So it took me like, I don't know, probably less than 10 minutes for this part. Now imagine all this. Woo! You may or may not hear me because the birds and everything like this, but the bird, it's making a lot of noise. But still, I will clean first this right here, then put it inside right here. So yeah, I'm gonna change this food right here. I'm gonna throw the old one and put the new one in. And food is pretty expensive, but that's another pain. But yeah, we put this much food. And then go to a kitchen or right here, throw out the water and put some new water in. You can see now all clean water. Now we have to clean this, and then if we clean this, we will be all set. So I recommend you buying gloves for this, but I have no gloves, so I will use my own hand. So I will wash my hand anyway. So this one is kind of too small, but you basically get this, and all the clean one will go back in. But this is all clean. But don't worry because I will put some new one in here. Clean this with wipes. And I will do this for the whole 4 things. It's all clean right here. So tomorrow we'll do this, and the other parrots. And that's it. It will take probably 20 like, it will probably take like 20 minutes to do all this. But yeah, it will probably take 20 minutes to do all this. So yeah, I just did this one. So definitely recommend some gloves for this, but I have no gloves. But I will get this and get more. And basically throw all this dirty stuff right here. Then put some new one and yeah. So after this, I put a new one. And every Saturday, I always clean this like from the inside with water and everything like that. So right now I'm just putting some new one in here, and it's for the bunny. Yeah, for the bunny. So yeah, we're all finished. Like I did it all by myself, so we're all finished. So you can see all clean, very clean. Everything's very clean, like very organized, very clean and everything like this. So yeah.